Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech Research. In the series of effective ways of doing research, today we are going to see how to create account on ResearchGate without having the institution email ID. So in previous video we have seen how ResearchGate is helpful and why it is necessary for every researcher to have an account on ResearchGate. This will not only build your academic profile, but it also helps you to track all your research papers and get connect to all the researchers around the world in your domain expertise. So in this video, we are going to see how to create ResearchGate account without institutional ID. I heard and got a request from many researchers that it is not possible to have a ResearchGate account without their institutional address. But friends, trust me, there is no need of institutional address for creating an account on ResearchGate. I'll show you in this video how you can create a ResearchGate account without your institutional address and with your own LinkedIn or Facebook account. Just type ResearchGate in Google and you can see the first link. Just click over there and you can see now the ResearchGate provides you the two options, that is connect with LinkedIn and connect with Facebook. You can join either using any of the option. So when I say connected with LinkedIn, you just have to type your LinkedIn profile over here and it will automatically take you to the next process. For example, I type so as you can see, once you enter your LinkedIn email ID and password, it asks you, it will redirect you to LinkedIn profile and ask you whether you want to allow your ResearchGate to sync with the application. Just say allow. And now as you can see, there is my new created ResearchGate account. So in this way you can create easily your ResearchGate account using LinkedIn or either using Facebook, whichever is convenient for you. Hope you enjoyed this video of creating your ResearchGate account without having your institutional email address. Before leaving, please subscribe to my channel Tech Research. See you in next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.